Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. Big update related to forms and surveys. Let's just go dive right into one of the forms. Now you can quickly add fields and edit them also for the custom fields, as opposed to like jumping around between sections, like creating it, then jumping here, then putting it in. Now you could just drag in like a kind of like let's just click on over here under quick add. You have the option to just beyond the basic elements, you can just create them on the fly. Over here you can see like single line, multi-line, right? You have like radio buttons and stuff like that. You can just drag it in, click on it, and just create it now here in the form as we kind of create the form, as opposed to creating it in a different place and then adding it in here. So what this looks like here is, for example, let's add in the radio button, right? We drag it in. Now it's like a default one. It doesn't really, say the things you want it to say. So here we can put in and change everything, right? Here, there's the question for the options themselves for the radio buttons. So you can click on here, right? Option one, option A, option B, just so you can see that there's a change. And then other, for example, right? And then you can just like quickly on the right side, you can just change all the information here, right? You drag this in and then you change all the information. And this thing, it will save once you save this form. So you save it and you can like reuse it later. Under the custom fields, you can drag it in here. And you can do all kinds of things. You can add in like a radio select, a single multi drop down, checkbox, file uploads over here as well. Obviously, image, monetary, all this stuff, you can drag it in and you can just kind of customize it here in the same spot. This is a really new and quick approach to it. But yeah, if you have any questions, again, this is related to forms and surveys, both. If you have any questions, you can ask about this or anything else Funneltopia related. 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. And if you don't have any questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.